Latest crypto and NFT news. BMW launches blockchain loyalty program with BNB Chain and CoinWeb. BMW, a German car manufacturer, is entering the blockchain in Thailand by introducing a new loyalty program built on CoinWeb's infrastructure while utilizing the BNB chain for transaction processes. According to the official statement, blockchain integration will be launched in two parts. For the first part, BMW will be shifting its daily workflow for automated processes, and the financing services with Thai customers will take place on a cross-chain ecosystem. In the second part, CoinWeb will launch a SaaS Web3 app related to the customer loyalty program featuring incentivized blockchain-based rewards for BMW clients only, which can be redeemed for benefits such as buying a service or a good. CoinWeb's first collaboration project is with BMW, CEO Toby Gilbert says. We hope that once this project is fully launched, it can be used as a benchmark to prove that traditional businesses can fully leverage blockchain technology. Visit our website for more news.